Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to discuss arithmetic progressions in one shot. We will cover all chapter in one video. Okay? Yeah. So arithmetic progression. Have you heard about arithmetic progression before? You have any idea about arithmetic progression? Arithmetic progression means like this. Example, if I say it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. This is an arithmetic progression. Why it is an arithmetic progression? Because first term is 1. If you add 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, etc. So you might have understood the condition to become an arithmetic progression. And here minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay, here 10, 9, 8, 7, etc. These all are arithmetic progressions. That means arithmetic progressions are a sequence of numbers whose difference is a constant. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers whose difference is a constant. That means if you subtract each term from the next term, you are getting a constant. Okay, that means 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 5 minus 4 is also 1. Here also 0 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 1 is 1, 9 minus 10 is minus 1, 8 minus 9 is minus 1, 7 minus 8 is minus 1. That means arithmetic progressions are a sequence of numbers whose difference is a constant. Okay? Or we can say that arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which the difference between any two terms, means the difference between consecutive terms, not any two terms, difference between consecutive terms always a constant, like this. You understood that? Okay? Right. Now we will move on. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers whose difference is a constant, or a sequence of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term. Okay? Arithmetic progression is AP is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a constant to the preceding term except first term. Why there is an exception for first term? Because first term there is no previous term for first term. That's why. Okay? So arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a constant d. That constant we are calling d, or common difference. This is the difference, and it is common in all consecutive terms. That means it is common difference to the preceding term except the first term. Except the first term. You got it? The definition? In mathematics, if we start a chapter, first of all we need to understand what is the meaning of the heading. Arithmetic progression, what is the meaning of that? That means it is a sequence of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a constant to the preceding term except first term, because the sequence is starting from the first term. So it will be given here like this. Okay? That means if you subtract any term from the next term, we are getting a constant. That constant is known as common difference. That constant is known as common difference. And notation for that is D. It is known as D. Common difference is notated as D. Okay, got it? So this is the example of arithmetic progressions. So can you give me one example for arithmetic progression? And this common difference D can be positive, negative or 0. If it is positive, I will write one example. 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. See, it is not ending. It is not ending. So, if an AP is not ending, we are calling that infinite AP. If an AP is ending, we will call that finite AP. Okay? So here D is 4 minus 2 is 2. Or you can subtract 6 minus 4, 8 minus 6, or we will get D. This is positive. Now I will 8, 5, 2, etc. Here D is 5 minus 8 minus 3. See, it can be positive, it can be negative also. And here 10, 10, 10, etc. This is also an AP. This is also an arithmetic progression whose first term is 10 and common difference D is equal to 0. You add 0, 0, 10 plus 0, 10, 10 plus 0, 10 like that. Okay? If there is a finite number of terms, if there are finite number of terms, then we will call this finite AP. Finite or finite, you can say. If there is infinite number of terms, we will call this is infinite AP. So these three are infinite APs because it is going on like this dot dot dot. If the AP is like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full stop. This is finite AP. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 terms are there. Here we cannot find the number of terms because it is going to infinity. Here also the same thing. Here also the same thing. So an arithmetic progression means a list of numbers whose each term is obtained by adding a constant to the preceding term except the first term. And if there are a finite number of terms in an AP, we will call finite AP. If there are infinite number of terms in an AP, we will call infinite AP. Clear? Okay. Now we will move on. Usually, we will use first term A. We will use the letter A to indicate the first term. Okay? And common difference D. Okay? So the first term of any AP is A. So can you say the next term? Yes, A plus D. Very good. A plus D. So the next term, can you say? Here? Yes, A plus 2D. Very good. A plus 2D. The next term, A plus 3D. Etc. Okay? See, A, we are adding the common difference. Common difference would be added to each term from the first term. So A plus B, A plus B plus B, A plus 2D, A plus 2D plus B, A plus 3D, like that. So here if you subtract any term from the next term, we are getting D, A plus D minus A, D, A plus 3D minus A plus 2D. This is also A will be cancelled, 3D minus 2D, D. See, everywhere we should get D. If you subtract any term from the next term, you should get the common difference. And the common difference is same. Okay? It is a constant. Here 2, here 3, not like that. Okay? So AP is a sequence of numbers whose difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. Like this. So from this, we can understand that first term is A. I can write A plus 1 minus 1 into B, right? Because this is the first term. That means n equal to 1. N means the number of terms in the AP. Number of terms, total number of terms. So here, if n equal to 1, so it is A plus 1 minus 1 into B. And A plus B, this is the second term. A plus 2 minus 1 into B. See, 2 minus 1 is 1. So A plus B will come. Where n equal to 2. 2 terms. That is the meaning. Here n is equal to 1. Here n is equal to 1. Here n is equal to 2. Here n is equal to 3. Here n is equal to 4. Okay. So A plus 2D. I can write A plus 3 minus 1 into D. n equal to 3. Okay. From this, etc. etc. If there are n terms, here n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. If n equal to n, then our term will be A plus n minus 1 into D. If n is equal to n. Okay? I shown you how it is coming. Actually, these steps you just want to understand. In the exam, they will not ask how the formula is coming. You just want to understand. First term is A is nothing but A plus 1 minus 1 into D. That means A plus n minus 1 into D. N is 1. Here A plus 2 minus 1. That means A plus n minus 1 into D. As n is equal to 2. A plus 3 minus 1 into D. N equal to 3. Okay? That means nth term of an AP or the general term. Nth term of an AP is nothing but A plus n minus 1 into D. Clear? You understood how it came? Clearly? Yeah, very good. So, you can note it down. I'll write this. If you want to write this, you can pause the video and note it down. So, now we understood what is an AP. And we understood what is the formula for general term of an AP. General term means nth term or general term. Tn or An we will say. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the formula number 1. You need to learn. Okay? So we will discuss some examples. There is an AP given 3 upon 2, comma 1 upon 2, comma minus 1 upon 2, comma minus 3 by 2, etc. This is infinite or finite? This is infinite because it is going on. Yeah. Find A and D. Find A and D. That means we need to find the first term and the common difference of this given AP. Here, the first term is nothing but 3 upon 2. This is the first term. Got it? And common difference you will get by subtracting any term from the successor. Okay? Means the next term. So 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 1. 2 minus 6. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, 1 minus 3 by 2. Minus 2 by 2 minus 1. Or you can say 2 minus 6 is minus 4 by is D is 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. We will get 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So 2 is the LCM. So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Minus 2 by 2 minus 1. Okay. Or 2 minus 6 is minus 4 by 4 is minus 1. Like this also you can do. Okay. Now we got the first one as well as the common difference. See, suppose we can subtract this from this. So that means minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So minus of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 1. See, this should be constant. This common difference should be constant. If you subtract any term from the successor, from the next term, so you will get common difference like this. Okay, understood? You can pause the video to note it down. Right? Okay, we will move on to the next question. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, etc. 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, etc. Here we need to find the first term and common difference. The first term is 3 and common difference is 1 minus 3 is minus 2. See, you check here also minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Here you check minus 3 minus minus 1 plus 2 is equal to minus 2. Minus 3 minus minus 1 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. Minus 3 plus 1 is equal to minus 2. See, everywhere common difference is coming same. This is the common difference. That means the difference which is common. It is the difference of any two consecutive terms which is common. This is the difference which is common in this given series. It is the difference which is common in this given series. That is the meaning of common difference. Difference which is common in the given series. So we understood common difference. What is the first term we understood? What is the common difference we understood? What is the number of terms? The total number of terms in a given AP. If it is a finite AP, there will be finite number of terms and we will use the letter N for that. Okay. Now the question is find the 10th term. Okay, we need to find the 10th term of AP 2, 7, 12, etc. What is AP? 2, 7, 12, etc. This is the given AP. We need to find 10th term means a 10. So this is a plus 10 minus 1 into d, 9. See, if it is 10, it is 9 here. Okay, 10th term is a plus 9d, second term is a plus d, 5th term is a plus 4d, 100th term is a plus 99d. So nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. This is how it is coming. Okay. So here we know that a equal to 2 and d is equal to 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. Now we will get 2 plus 9 into d, 5. So we will get 47. 9 5s are 45 plus 2, 47 we will get here. Okay. When you are doing calculations, you should be very careful. You cannot add first and multiply. You have to multiply first and then add. You have to follow the board mass rule whenever you are doing calculations like this. Okay. All of you know that rule. I hope. So here third term is given a3. Third term is a3. A3 is 5 and seventh term is given as 7 is equal to 9. So what we want to find? We want to find a comma d. Okay. A3 means a plus 2d is equal to 5. A7 means a plus 6d is equal to 9. So now we got a linear equation in two variables. Two variables are a and d. So we can find this very easily. You subtract 2 minus 1. You subtract 1 from 2. You get a will be cancelled. 60 minus 2d 40. 9 minus 5 4. So d is equal to 4 by 4 1. Got it? A plus third term is 5. A plus 2d is 5. Seventh term a plus 6d is 9. Now you subtract 6d minus 2d 4d. So 9 minus 5 4. D is equal to 1. We got d is equal to 1. And a will be substitute this value here. So a plus 2 into 1 2 is equal to 5. So a will be 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Okay? D equal to 1 and a equal to 3. Understood this problem? So we will be asked like this. Two terms are given. We will be asked to find the first term and the common difference. What we will do? We will write the equation and we will solve this in the elimination method here. You already solved this. Got it? If you are getting any doubt, you will ask in the comment below. Okay? So next question. How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many three-digit numbers? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? How many two-digit numbers are divisible by 3? This question may be asked for 2 marks. Like this questions may be asking for 2 marks. So, which is the first two-digit number which is divisible by 3? First two-digit number. Yeah. 10 is not divisible by 3. 11 is not divisible by 3. But 12 is divisible by 3, right? So, our sequence will be 12, 15, 18, etc. Right? And it is going like this. And the last term will be, last three-digit number is 999, right? Last two digit. We are dealing with 2 digit, not 3 digit. Okay? Last 2-digit number is 99. This is 9 plus 9 is 18. So this is also divisible by 3. So this is our required AP. This is the required AP here. Okay? This is the required AP here. So from this, we are asked, we are going to find n. And a is given as 12 and d is equal to, divisible by 3 means d will be 3. Divisible or multiples by some number means the common difference will be that number itself. So d is equal to 3. Now we want to find n. So the nth term is 99 here. So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 99. 12 plus n minus 1 into 3 is equal to 99. Now 3n minus 1. So take this 12. 99 minus 12 means 87. Okay. 3n minus 3 minus 87 is equal to 0. 3n is equal to So what is the answer? 30. So there are 32 digit numbers which is divisible by 3. There are 32 digit numbers which are divisible by 3. Got it? This is how we can solve this. Any doubt? Step by step we are asked to find and here. A is given, D is given. First term and last term we already calculated in our mind. Then using the A plus n minus 1D formula, I substituted all things and I removed n from that information. N is equal to 3. Okay, got it? Nice. We will move on to the next question. Find the 11th term. Find the 11th term from the last term of the given AP is 10, 7, 4, etc. 10, 7, 4, etc. This is the given AP. Okay? Ten, 7, 4, etc. And last term also given minus 61. Minus 62. It is given minus 62. So this is a finite AP because there is a first term and there is a last term. So first of all let us find how many number of terms are there. That means n we can find easily. So n will be see here to find n it is very easy. Here second term is 7. So that means a plus d is equal to 7. Okay? That means a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 7. We can say that a plus n minus 1 into d. We can take any term. Here we can take 4 is equal to 4. That means that is third term. N equal to 3 there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is nothing but a plus 2d is equal to 4. Yeah. So why don't we take the last term? 10 plus n minus to get the total number of terms. We are taking this. So a plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? Is minus 3 here. Is equal to minus 62. Okay, so minus 3n plus 3. You open the bracket, minus 3n plus 3. Negative to negative plus 3 is equal to minus 62 minus 10 is equal to minus 72. So minus 3n is equal to minus 72 minus 3. So minus 75. So both are positive, so you can make it, both are negative, you can make it positive. So therefore n is equal to 75 upon 3 is 25. So we got n, means in this given AP there are total 25 terms are there in this AP. Okay, and now what we are asked to find the 11th term from last term. So from the last they are asking, so we can write this given AP from the last. So that means minus 62. From here minus 3 was common difference, but if we are thinking from the last, plus 3 will be the common difference, right? That means plus 3 will be added. Plus 3 will be added. So plus 3 means minus 57, no, 59, plus 3 means minus 56, etc. You got it? We want to find the 11th term from the last So I am writing the last term as first term. And here the common difference is minus 3. So if we are considering from the last, it will become plus 3. So minus 62 plus 3 minus 59 plus 3 minus 56. Like this it is going. So you find the 11th term of this AP, not that AP. Therefore A11 is equal to A plus 10D. That means A is minus 62 plus 10 into D. 10 into 3 is 30. Got it? 10 into D. D is 30 here. 3 here. So 3 into 10, 30. So minus 32 is the answer. So the 11th term from last is minus 32. This is how you can do. Okay? If they are asking any term from the last, you write the given AP from the last and you change the sign of the common difference, then you will get the common difference here. Then you will find any term. Once you got first term and the common difference, once we got first term and the common difference of any AP, we can find any term using n a plus n minus 1 into d formula. Right? So you understood this clearly? I hope you understood this clearly. Can I help? Next question we can check. Means all main type of questions we are doing and the main theory I am explaining. Along with we are doing examples and some questions from exercise even. Okay, these all are main questions. So you need to practice these type of questions. You can practice from any book, NCERT book, R.D. Sharma book, Arithmetic, anything, any book. Okay. So which of the term of AP is 78? Which term of the AP? Which term of the AP? The given AP is 3, 8, 13, 18. 3, 8, 13, 18, etc. is 78. So what they are asking? They are asking which term of this AP is 78. We don't know. 78 is coming in this AP somewhere. We don't know what is n. So here we want to find n. So here A is equal to 3. Given things like D is equal to 5. 8 minus 3 is 5. And an is equal to 78. So that means 3 plus n minus 1 into 5 is equal to 78. Okay? A plus n minus 1 into d. This formula I will use here. So 3 plus 5n minus 5. I open the bracket. Is equal to 78. So 3 minus 5 is minus 2. 5n minus 2 is equal to 78. 5n is equal to 78 plus 2, 80. Therefore, n is equal to 80 by 5 is 16. Okay, 80 upon 5 is 16. Okay, so we got number of terms n. That means the 16th term is 78. So, therefore, a 16 is equal to 78. So, this type of questions may be coming for 1 mark or 2 mark. Okay, that's all. Not that much. And there is a formula to find n. That also you can note. N is equal to Tn. That means An minus A by D plus 1. This is the formula to find n. Okay, what is n? Last term L minus first term by common difference plus 1. This is the formula to find n. Okay, this you note it, both of this, you have to note it, both of this. Let's run this. We will move on. Check. Minus 150 is a term of the given AP 11852. 11852, etc. That means we are asked whether this number is coming in this AP or not. We need to check it. So, suppose it is coming. Suppose it is an. What is an? A plus n minus 1 into d. Everywhere you can repeat the formula because so that it will get memorized very easily. Means a is 11 plus n minus 1 into d is 11 became 8. That means d is minus 3. 8 became 5. That means d is minus 3. 3 is getting subtracted or minus 3 is getting added. Is equal to minus 150. Okay. So 11 minus 3n plus 3 is equal to minus 150. 11 plus 3, 14. 14 minus 3n is equal to minus 150. That means 3n is equal to 150 plus 14. That means 164. So n is equal to 164 by 3. Right? n is minus 150. A plus n minus a is 11 plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 3 is equal to minus 3. 11. You open the bracket, so minus 3n plus 3 will come. So 11 plus 3, 14 minus 3n is equal to minus 150. You take 150 here, take 3n here. So 3n is equal to 150 plus 14 is 164. 164 by 3. So 154 by 3, we are getting a fraction because 164 is not getting divided with 3 absolutely. Right? 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 11. 11 is not coming in the table of 3. That means it is a fraction. If n is a fraction, what does that mean? That means this number is not coming in the AP, in the given AP. Okay? This number is not coming in the given AP. Why? Because n is getting a fraction. We can say that first term, second term, third term, fourth term. But we cannot say that 1 by 2th term, 3 by 4th term, 164 by 3th term. We cannot say like that. There is no meaning for that. What is the meaning of 1.5th term? No meaning. One term, first term, second term, third term. Means only integers will be applicable for the value of n. N can be only integers. Here we are not getting integers. So the answer of this question is no. No, this is not a term of this given AP. You might have understood very clearly. You can pause the video to note it down. So next question is how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So the first 3-digit number which is divisible by 7 is 105, then 112, then 119, etc. 105, 4. 9, 9, 4. You can check it. Okay. So the first 3-digit number which is divisible with 7 is 105, and the last 3-digit term is 994. So how many? That means in any question, suppose we are asked to find how many, that means we are asked to find n, the number of terms. Okay. So n is equal to, from this formula, 994 minus 105 by d. D is divisible by 7 means d will be 7. Okay. Plus 1. So this will be 994 minus 9, 889. 994 minus 105 by 7 plus 1. So that will be 889 by 7. Yeah. Plus 1. So this will be 127 plus 1 is 128 is our answer. Okay, understood? So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? 128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. There are 128 3-digit numbers which is divisible with 7. Okay, understood? How we are doing, you understood? You got any doubt? You can ask in the comment below. So today in this video we are going to cover the main portion of the arithmetic progressions. Means all main questions, important questions we will solve, and the all important theory and all important formula we will show here. Okay. So by watching this video you can understand, you can learn this arithmetic progression chapter, especially for your coming exam. So this video is specially designed for arithmetic progression which is applicable for your exam studies. Okay. And the one more formula is that is Sm, sum of n terms, that is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, or n by 2 into a plus last term l. L means last term. See, both are same. Here in term of L you can substitute a plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus a to a plus n minus 1 into, both are same. If first term and last term we know, use this formula. If we don't know the last term, use this formula. Okay. So these are the main 3 formulae in this chapter you need to learn properly. First one is general term of an AP, means any term, nth term. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This is the general term or nth term. This is number of terms in an AP, in an finite AP. Last term minus first term divided by d plus 1. Last term minus first term divided by d plus 1. So that is the n. Now the sum of n terms. So there is an AP which has lot of terms. Suppose we want to find the sum of n terms. So n by 2 into 2n plus n minus 1 into d. If first term and last term are given, use this formula. Otherwise use this formula. These 3 formulae you need to learn properly so that we can solve all problems from this chapter. Okay. So you can note it down. Can I rub this? This chapter is a very interesting chapter according to me. And one more formula we are getting this. If you substitute one as A and one as B, we will get this. Okay, n by 2 into first term plus last term. First term is 1, last term is n. So n by 2 into first term plus last term only this is term. N into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, I will explain how this formula came. Actually, it is not going to ask in the exam, but you need to understand that how the formula for Sn came. That I will explain later, not now. That also you can note it. Okay, so we already discussed some of the main important questions, important type of questions. Now we will move on. So next question is how many terms of AP 9, 17, 25, 9, 17, 25, etc. This is infinite AP. Must be taken. Must be taken. These all questions I selected from the exercises, okay, to make you understand. To get the sum of 636. To get a sum of 636. First you read the question and try to understand the question. First you one time you read the question and try to understand. How many terms of this AP must be taken to get the sum 636? That means here sum is given 636. And we know that A is equal to 9 and D is equal to 6. 17 minus 9 is 6, 25 minus 17. 8, D is equal to 8, sorry, D is equal to 8. 17 minus 9 is 8, 25 minus 17 is 8. Okay? So D is 8 here and we have this. So first Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula will be used here because the last term we don't know in this AP. So Sn is given 636 is equal to n by 2. That is what we need to find. So what is here we want to find n. N by 2. So 2a 18. 2 into 9, 18. A is 9 plus n minus 1 into 8. Okay. Now, here also 2, here also 2. So if you multiply with 2, it will be cancelled. So you cross multiply. So it will become n by 2 into 18, 9n. Okay, n by 2 into 18 is 9n plus n by 2 into n. So this is n 8n minus 8 here into n by 2. Okay, I have multiplied with n by 2 here and here. So it will 2 18 cancel 9n. N by 2 into 8n minus 8 will come. Now 9n plus, if you multiply with this, 2 and 8 cancels, 4n square minus 2 and 8 cancels, so 4n is equal to 636. It will come. So 4n square plus 9n minus 4n, 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Here we got the required quadratic equation in n. This is a quadratic equation in n. So we can solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. can minus b means minus 5. Minus 5 plus or minus root of b square, 5 square minus 2ab. 2 into 4 into minus 6, so this will become plus 636. So it is minus 5 plus or minus 10201. This will become 10201 by 8. You have to multiply first, then add, and you get this. And square root of 10201. 10201 is nothing but 101. So minus 5 plus or minus square root of this is 101 upon 8. And that is 101 minus 5 plus 101 by 8. So that means minus 5 plus 101 minus 5 is 96 by 8. Or minus 5 minus 101. So minus 106 by 8. Two values are there. Okay. 96 by 8 is 12. And this one is minus 53 by 4. Minus 53 upon 4. See, if you cancel 2, you will get minus 53 by 4. So here two values we are getting, 12 and a fraction. So number of terms cannot be a fraction. So our answer is 12. So therefore n is equal to 12. That means if you add 12 terms, you will get 636 in this AP. Or 12 terms required to get a sum of 636 in this AP. Okay? There are 12 terms which is required to get a sum 636 in this AP. AP means arithmetic progression. Okay? Got it? You understood clearly? These calculations you have to practice. These all questions are from the exercise. So along with the theory, we are solving the exercises also. So in one video, everything I am covering. This is the importance of this video. Whoever wants to learn arithmetic progressions, pakka, you can watch this video. Next is sum of first 40 positive integers. 40 positive integers divisible by 6. That is what we have. What we need to find? We need to find the sum of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So Sn we need to find. Sn is equal to, first you write the formula, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here required AP first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. Okay, so the first number is 6 itself, because 6 is divisible with 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, etc. How many? 40 terms. So our A is 6, N is equal to 40, and D is equal to nothing but 6. D also 6, 4920 is our answer. So our answer is 4920. Okay, got it? Yeah, just observe each step. Any doubt? I hope you don't have any doubt here. You understood clearly. Okay? Yeah, very good. So shall I got this? So, now we are going to discuss the most important question from this chapter. That is question number 19. In the exercise 5.3. Exercise 5.3. Question number 19. It is given that 200 logs are stacked in the following manner. 20 logs in the bottom row, 19 in the next row, 18 in the next row to the end row. How many rows are the 200 logs placed and how many logs are in the top row? So here sum is equal to means total logs 200. And we don't know. And is what we need to find here. A is equal to 20, D equal to minus 1. A equal to 20, D equal to minus 1. It is given because in the first there are some logs, then one less than that, then one less than that, one less than that, like that. Okay? So the total we can use Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 20, so 2a plus n minus 1 into minus 1. 2a plus n minus 1 into minus 1. So that will become, if you solve that, it will become 400 is equal to 2 will be cross multiply. 400 is equal to n into 40 n minus n square plus n. 41 n minus n square. 41 n minus n square will come. If you simplify this, then you can do yourself. This simplification is so easy. Okay? 40n. So if we are getting minus n square so minus n square plus 41n plus 41n is equal to 400. Okay, that means n square multiplied with the negative minus 41n, it will become negative, and you take here, it will become positive. It will go to 0. Okay. N square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. So, to solve this is a quadratic equation. So easy. In the previous video, I explained you how we can solve the quadratic equation nicely. If the coefficient here is 1, think about two numbers whose product is 400 and the sum is minus 45. 16 and 15, 25. 16 and 25, that is, the numbers are minus 16 and minus 25. If you add this, you will get 41. Minus 41, if you multiply this, you will get this. So now put x in the left side. Here n in the left side. And equal to 0. So n is equal to 16, 25. N is equal to 16, 25. Okay. So we are considering 16 here first of all, and we are asked how many logs are there in the 16th row. So that means A16 is A plus 15B. That means A is 20 plus 15 into minus 1. That means 5. So in the last row there are 5 blocks. Okay. And if you take n is equal to 25, A25 is 20 plus 24 into minus 1. This is becoming negative. So the number of blocks cannot be negative. So we are not considering this value. We are not considering 25, we are considering 16. We are not considering 25 because the number of blocks cannot be negative because it is a number, it is a counting thing, it cannot be negative. Okay, this is how we can solve this type of problems. I hope you understood this all chapter in one shot. Got it? Now in this video we already covered the theory of arithmetic progression as well as the main type of problems. These are the only types of problems going to come for your exam. So if you want to get good marks in the exam, I wish you a very good luck. Okay, thank you.